Let's tour Stateroom 7024 on the Disney Magic. This is the Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with a veranda located on forward on deck 7. It sleeps up to 4 guests and offers 268 square feet of space, including your private veranda. Inside, you'll find a queen bed, single sofa bed, and a ceiling pull down, perfect for families or small groups. The split bathroom features a rectangular tub and shower for added convenience. Step out onto your private veranda and enjoy beautiful ocean views. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cruise tours and future travel videos with Travel with Us visitors.